I'm Captain Dan Stewart with the Office of Media Relations. We want to share with you some information about a recent shooting involving one of our officers. In the early morning hours of May 1st, Officer Flowers was driving south on Martin Luther King Boulevard on his way to an unrelated disturbance call.
I got a guy that just tried to run into my car. He's coming up behind me now.
The suspect, Quinton Pace, was also driving south on Martin Luther King Boulevard and struck Officer Flowers' vehicle several times.
He's coming back at me again now. Yeah, he just hit my car. It's taking off northbound again. Looks like it's going to flip around again.
Both vehicles were disabled at Northeast 52nd Street.
I'm hit. I'm trapped in the vehicle.
Officer Flowers was trapped inside his vehicle after the collision. Mr. Pace exited his vehicle with a gun and began firing at Officer Flowers while he was still inside his vehicle. Officer Flowers fired his rifle through the patrol car's windshield and driver's side window, striking Mr. Pace and stopping his actions. Shortly thereafter, a responding officer was able to place Mr. Pace in custody.
Yeah, I got some minor cuts, but I think I'm okay.
Officer Flowers was taken to a local hospital to be treated for minor injuries he sustained during the collision. Mr. Pace was also transported to a local hospital where he received treatment for non-life-threatening injuries. Mr. Pace was booked into the Oklahoma County Detention Center.